The Tokyo 2020 chief has welcomed how cancellation or postponement of the Games was not discussed at the latest executive board meeting. It's the IOC's board's last meeting before leaving for the Olympics.
This is also, the last meeting before we meet in Tokyo. So it's the kind our here we go executive board meeting.
With just 45 days to go, the Japanese public still remains divided about whether the Games should be held. Tokyo and several prefectures are under a state of emergency due to COVID-19 until June the 20th. The organizing committee says it might seek more vaccine donations. Japan has been slow to roll out its inoculation program. Jabs for members of the media covering the Olympics are still being discussed.